Hello friends, today I am going to solve new MCAT coding problem which is new number system. So if you will see in this system they have given one old number system like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we have to make program for new number system. Suppose in new number system 0 will be 9, 1 will be 8, 2 will be 7 and like so on, right? So if you will see in example, we have to write one new number function and it will take one integer n and we have to return new number instead of old number. So if you will see in example, n is 2565, so we have to return 7434. If we will see 2 is old number system and in new number system 2 will be replaced by 7. If you will see in the here, so old number system is 2 and it is going to replaced by 7. So let's solve this problem. Let's see. Suppose our number is 2565, so we have to change this number into new number system, right? So if you will see, this is our new number system and instead of 0 we have to use 9, instead of 9 we have to use 0 and so on. So for solving this problem, what we will do, we will take this number and we will take each and every digit from this number and we will convert this digit from new number system, right? So for solving this problem, we will create one new string, right, and we will put that this all number system in that new string, right? Suppose I will create this new string with all this value, right? 98765432110, and what we will do, we will take this number, right? Suppose this is 2, we will take this number and suppose first digit of this number is 2, so we will take this 2 and we will find index of 2 in this string. So if we will, this is suppose this is our string, so if we will check index of this string, index of 2 in this string, we will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So index of 2 is 7, and if you will see in new number system, value of 2 will be 7. So we have to use this same concept for all this number. We will check index of 6 in this string, it will give 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, right? So 3 is the our new number system. For solving this problem, we will apply this concept, right? So let's solve this problem. So in this problem, if you will see, if we have this one number function, new number function, we have to complete this function, right? So if you can see that in main function, this new number function is called with at number, and we have to return this this number in new number system, right? So first what we will do, we will create a new string with this all element, right? So let's create. So we will create a string new number, right? Suppose I will put new number is equals 98765432110, right? And here this is our number, so we have to take each and every digit from this number, right? Suppose our example is 2565, right? So we have to take each and every digit from this number. So for solving in easy way, we will convert this number into a string. So let's create one string, a string as equals new a string, and we have to convert this number into a string. So we will use a string dot value of, right, and we will put n. So this n will be converted into a string and this will be value of s, right? So for this, what we will do, we will create a new empty string, right, so that we will change each and value of each and every digit and we will add the new value of each and every digit in new string, right? New s equals, in start we will put empty. So let us start a loop. We will run loop until they are all character digit from this number. So this number is in our s string, so we will put s dot length and I plus plus, right? So for solving this, what we will do, we will first get number from each and every digit from this string. So this is in our s string, so we will take s dot char at, right, char at I, so it will give us each and every digit from this number, right? And we have to find index of this character, right, index of this number from our this string, right, new number string. So we will put new number dot index of number dot index of this character, and we will put this character into this new string, right? We will concatenate into this new string. So we will put new s plus equal to plus equals to this one, right? So each and every time loop will run, it will take each and every character from this number, right, this 2, and it will get get index of this 2 from this new string. So if you will see, this is our 2, so index of our 2 will be from this new string will be, right, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right. So index of 2 will be 7, so this number 2 will be replaced by 7 and it will be put in new string. So whenever this loop will run, it will first take this 2 and it will convert this 2 into 7, right, and next time when this loop will run, it will take next number as 5 and it will convert this 5 into new number system. So it will take index of 5 from this new number system string. So it will take index of 5, it means 0 1 2 3 4, so it will put 4 here, right. It will add this 4 into this new string, right, and next time it will take 6 and it will find index of 6 in this new string. So index of 6 will be 0 1 2 3, so it will add 3 into this new str, and in last it will get value 5, right. It will take 5 and it will 5 index of 5 in this new number string. So index of 5 will be 0 1 2 3 4, so it will add 4 into this new str because we are using concatenation. So it will add 4. In last we have taken all the characters, so this time loop will end, right. So we have this 743 and we have to return this one, but if you will see, this is a string, right, and we have to return integer. So for this one we will convert this string into integer. For we will write integer dot parse int and we will put a string. So this is our in new s, so we will give us a new s, right. So this will this method will convert this string into integer and we have to return this integer, so we will use return, right. So this is our program. Let's run this program, right. So if you will see, yeah, you can see that our new number is 7434. If you will see in example, they have also 2565, it is changed into 7434, right, 7434.